أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم climatic control. Yesterday we discussed we discussed altitude altitude and latitude. Now today we will discuss pressure and wind. Pressure and wind. Number one. Number two is and distance from sea. Distance from sea. Pressure and wind. What is pressure actually? Pressure is the weight of air exerted by the atmosphere layer on the earth. This is earth. This is atmosphere. The pressure of this air, the weight of this air exerted by the earth is called the pressure. This is called downward push, or the force is the pressure. This pressure takes part in the formation of the climate of an area. You know, temperature if temperature is high, that means pressure is low. If temperature is low, the pressure will be high. The pressure will be high. So it is vice versa. Temperature high, pressure low. Temperature is low, pressure is high. That is, if temperature is low, the air will remain tight with the earth. Its force is more, it exerts more force on the surface of the earth. It is attracted towards the earth. It remains to a low height, that the molecules of the air do not move away from each other. They come closer to each other, and the distance between the two molecules is very low. Whereas if the temperature is low, if temperature is high, the air molecules, the molecules of the atmosphere, air will move away from each other. That means the pressure will get released. The molecules will move away from each other. It take more space. That means the pressure is low. They will move away from each other. So this takes part in the formation of the climate, because when there is low temperature, the clouds in the atmosphere, they are closer to the earth. When temperature is high, the molecules will move away from each other. The clouds found in the atmosphere, they will move upwards. That will take part. So that means when temperature is high, the pressure will be low. When temperature is low, there will be the rainfall. Now there is wind. What is wind? Wind is actually the moving air. Wind means moving air. Moving air is called wind. So this wind, sometimes it may be very slow, sometimes it may be very high. Sometimes it is just, it can be observed, it is hardly to be observed, but sometimes it uproots the uh, trees, the plants, or sometimes the roofs of the houses are moved away. That it is the storm at that very time. So moving air, when it is moves very slowly, that is, wind is very slow.